Get out your pen and paper because I'm about to give you a ton of ideas for your content strategy. Hey everyone, how's it going? My name is Jen Sargeant. I'm the creator of Digital Sargeant and I'm so happy you found this video. If you found this video, it's because you're more than likely a local or a small business owner that wants to learn more about digital marketing, and I'm the girl to help you do just that. Before I dive into today's video topic, which is all about how to form a content strategy for your local business, I kindly ask that you subscribe to my channel so when I upload new material all about local business digital marketing, you'll be the first to know and you'll be the first to implement it. So a question I get all the time is, how do I form a content strategy for my local or small business? And I'm going to run through some tips for you, so you're definitely going to want to make sure that you have a pen and paper ready so you can jot all of these down. Now, my very first tip for you is to form a hashtag strategy. Now, take the time to carve out about 45 minutes or an hour, at least once a month, to go through the hashtags that you're trying to dominate on the social media channels you're also trying to dominate. Now, the hashtags that you use on Facebook or on Instagram are going to be very different than the hashtags you're using on LinkedIn or Twitter. So really formulate a hashtag strategy per the platform. You'll really start to see your business and your posts reaching different types of people and growing in the right direction. Now, the second tip I want to share with you is a review card strategy. Now, a review card strategy is essentially going through all of your reviews online and taking out bits and pieces of them and creating a really pretty graphic that is on brand for your business using Canva or Photoshop, and then posting that review card to social media. And what that does is it reminds people like, oh, this business is really fantastic. Oh, this business really does have outstanding moonshine or great customer service, or man, I remember when I visited that business and I took home the best baked blueberry pie, and you know what, I should visit them again. So it's a really great way to stay top of mind with your audience, to remind them that you are really that great. Third tip for content strategy, I also want to encourage you to thank your customers at least once a month. I can't really express how great this is for a local business, but I have noticed tremendous amount of engagement and outpouring support to local businesses when they take the time to thank their customers at least once a month. And before I get into my fourth tip, I kindly ask that you subscribe to my channel so when I upload new material all about local business digital marketing, you'll be the first to know and you'll be the first to implement it. And we're right about the 2-minute and 30-second mark, and I've already spewed out a ton of ideas. So the fourth thing that I want to share with you is to create evergreen content. Now, what is evergreen content? Evergreen content is essentially content that has to do with your industry or your business that is never going to change. So essentially, this piece of material right here, how to create a content strategy, is essentially evergreen content because these things are never going to change. Sure, the algorithm can change and posting can change, but when it comes down to a content strategy, this is a formula that has been working for years and years and years, actually well before social media even came to part. So you're essentially creating content that'll never change and never go out of style, and you're also reminding your customer and your ideal target audience, these are the problems that you're having and this is how my business is the solution, and boom, that's how you form that did we just become best friends moment. So if you were to get out a pen and paper and a calendar and start to piece all of these bits of content together, before you know it, you're going to have a month's worth of content within your content strategy. And then, of course, don't forget to share user-generated content. Don't forget to shout out other businesses, and don't forget to highlight your employees too. They are really the heartbeat of your business. So that is a ton of tips I can give you to help you formulate a content strategy. Oh, and also, don't forget about your buyer persona development. Remember when we talked about that a few months ago? Really peel the onion back on your buyer persona development and ask yourself, what are the problems your target audience is having and how is your business a solution, and then forming content specific to those bits. Anyways, that's it for now. Right about now, there should be more information popping up on the screen. I hope it helps you with your local business digital marketing. And if you ever have any questions about digital marketing, please let me know. I would love to help you. I'll see you in the next video.